Don't discard your broken pottery. Give it a second life using the Kintsugi technique. When a ceramic bowl I made fell and broke into several pieces, I wondered how it could be repaired. That's when I came across Kintsugi, which means golden joinery. It is a Japanese art form for repairing broken pottery, using urushi lacquer mixed with powdered gold. My version of this process substitutes the gold and lacquer for epoxy resin, gold mica powder, and super glue, which would make the item unsafe for food. After dusting off the pieces, I applied super glue to both edges to be bonded, pressing them firmly in place and holding for about 30 to 40 seconds. Before gluing any pieces, do a dry fit and determine the order in which the pieces are to be glued. I continued the bonding process, using all the remaining pieces. Gently remove any exposed resin with an X-Acto knife. To fill the cracks and build up the areas where pieces are missing, I mixed a 2-part epoxy with flour, then pressed it in. I let the epoxy set for a while, then cleaned off the excess with some rubbing alcohol. I gently sanded the epoxy filler. After repairing the inside of the bowl, I then tackled the underside. To paint the crack and filled areas, I mixed up a 2-part epoxy with some gold mica powder, then painted it on. I let the resin dry overnight, then applied a second coat the next day. Give your broken pottery new life by repairing it Kintsugi style. Thanks for watching and bye for now.